Hello everyone, we're here today, episode 8 of our Southern California road trip tour, and we are here at the Griffith Park Mega Bank of, I can't say the D word, so we're just gonna say of safety. Wow. Right? We also have Christopher Hyatt, he's here to come and do all the skating.
Oh, he's just gonna send it first one.
Can we get a broom?
Bro, this is wild.
This is, Mo, you know this is my dream spot. I've always wanted to do a trick here.
Well, go look at it at least.
I'll look at it. I'm hurt. I'm hurt though. I'm not capping. I swear. Like 2 days before this trip, I bodied my back. No, I'm just letting the audience know.
Yeah, but the audience isn't questioning you.
Oh wait, really?
He really just did that. With a car. Where's that going?
Skirt it up, boys. I just wanted to introduce the video. We are having so much fun on our tour of Southern California. We're here for 3 more days, then we're gonna head down to San Diego. So if you see us, we're already gone. I'm sorry, but we're having a great time. I hope you're enjoying these videos, and we got some even crazier content coming up soon. I hope you're loving it. Let's get this video started.
I can't believe you just sent that.
I just woke up, had a nice nap. I'm like, well, we're here, so. Oh yeah, Mo!
Go, what you think of this spot?
Gnarly. Shout out all the pros that ever did tricks into this and made it through the middle of that, because that is crazy. Oh, it's a different story right here, brother.
I could for sure varial flip into this though. Oh! Oh wait, what is that? What are you drinking?
Hot coffee.
Iced coffee? I thought that didn't exist.
Leave in the comments below if iced coffee doesn't exist. I didn't believe that it does exist.
You're drinking it right now. That is a physical thing.
That's all the gas station had, brother.
What's going on, Zach?
Chilling.
What you got on this today?
I'm gonna kick flip it to flat. I'm gonna try to 900 up it with a bungee. Dude, imagine though, like bunging up this thing, clearing that fence right there.
That's a good idea.
Oh. He's got with Bev in hand.
I know. I was trying to do that shit.
Oh. Woo! That is a lot faster from down here than it is when you're up there.
Get cooking for sure.
Oh.
There it is.
Oh.
How's it feel up there, Mo?
Like a street spot.
What does that even mean?
Every street skater knows.
You gotta help explain it to the people who aren't street skaters, Mo.
Just get on the street and start skating.
Yeah! Oh my God. Let's go, Zach! Bro, it is scary up
This
there.
is one of the gnarliest looking spots. If you guys think we're being a little chickens right now, we're really not. This ground is rough and it is big. We got to do some preparing for this.
Yeah, Mo!
That was sick.
Back to back! Whoa, Rick! What you think of this, Dan? You gonna hit it?
I think that's cool. I really want to tray flip into it because back in the day, I watched this video, Corey Duffel tray flipping into a giant bank, and it's kind of like this. It makes me want to do it. That's a little weird, but I'll do it.
Yeah, Chris. Yeah. Yeah. That's a brave man skating this spot in shorts. Oh my God. Light. Oh! Oh!
That's gnarly.
Yeah, Mo. Oh. Oh! Goal! You can't catch a hard flip like that on this. Yeah, Dan. Man, that looked good.
That felt phenomenal.
That looked amazing.
I tried to get a nice beefy hard flip. Caught it, worked out, rolled away nice. Had a nice cruise, ended up in the grass.
Perfect.
Dude, I'm stoked.
Hey Chris, can you grab my phone and film this one real quick?
How are the
Oh,
safety
hi.
levels?
There's no safety here. The level is gone.
So there's just no thinking?
There's no thinking.
Yeah, Dan! Let's
That was
go.
nice.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Let's go.
That was sick.
Uzi, how you feel after that, my brother?
I'm hyped.
Dude,
That felt so sick.
That was perfect.
I'll film you. I got my phone.
Absolutely perfect.
I got all you guys.
Dude, half cap flip too?
Dude, thank you.
Hell yeah.
Ring powers, baby.
Let's go.
Oh, ring days.
Let's go, Glow.
Yeah.
Check it, bro. We got Uzi.
Oh, that was back to
Happy to help you,
Yeah.
brother.
Yeah. Here.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
That was fun.
I got one trick in. Me and Uzi got one, but
One and done.
yeah,
is what
my
I
luck
always
is very high today because I made it down this, and I'm thankful for that.
Let's go. Dude, that's nuts. Nolly Gazelle is sick. Wow. Oh!
Just nollie back here.
He nollie back heeled that.
That's a back-to-back
Let's
right there.
go. Back to back of the century right there.
Dude, that was all switch?
Oh my
You.
God. That's a grand
That's for
finale.
all of you. You know, I love street skating so much that I just wanted to express it.
Yes, Chris. Dude, you running down that just gave me a huge boost of serotonin. Dang. Yeah, Chris. Damn. Yeah. Ew. Oh my God. That was the single most disrespectful kickflip I've ever seen. I feel like that kickflip just disrespected me. What? Yeah, Rick!
Oh my God.
Let's go.
How did Ricky just do that? So good. He just did that like the best way you could ever do that trick.
Whoa! Oh! Yeah! Dude! Oh! He lost the shoe! He lost the shoe! Count it. Oh.
I think I'm just gonna
Hey.
not do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's keep it safe for a while.
Yeah.
Oh, JD walked here.
I would not walk here by myself. Oh, jeez. Phew.
Well, everyone, this was one of the most famous banks. You might be seeing this in video parts in LA, and just know that this is one of the most fun video part skate spots there is to come out here. There's even the baby one that for some reason we didn't warm up there.
I know.
We just came straight to the gnarly boy.
Yep.
I bet you anything, if we went over there, easy, lands, makes. But
Yeah, you guys low-key did that here.
oh, I was a little scared, but thank you, brother, for supporting. I hope everyone is staying hyped on these videos. We have so much more videos to do. Woo! That is my exact expression after skating this in the heat. Look at my water. I haven't even opened it yet. Seriously, I haven't even opened it yet. That's crazy.
Cool.
Let me get a sip. This is episode 8.
This is episode 7. Episode 8 drops tomorrow at 10 a.m.
This is episode 7. Episode 8 drops tomorrow at 10 a.m. Be there because I'm already there. So there are some videos onto the side of me. Like, subscribe, and keep the notifications on because Ricky's always winning everyone, even me. And you know, I need someone to beat him. Braille Origins just came out. Get there. We are, oh man. Even Ricky's beating everyone on that. JD just finished the game too, but you know, you can always play and get there because we're gonna keep updating it. Secret characters maybe in the future. But until then, see you in tomorrow's video.